Guys, naghahanap ba kayo ng private resort sa may Mexico, Pampanga? So in this video, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang MSCR Private Resort and papakita rin natin kung ano yung mga amenities nila dito. If you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo po ako. Let's go! Welcome to Pampanga. Guys, for today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Mexico, Pampanga. Pagpasok niyo dito sa gate, bubungan sa inyo itong napakalaking signage na to, reminding you that smile, bawal po ang nakasimango dito. We know na pupunta po kayo dito. It's a day of relaxation and time with your family. So, bring with you your joy. So, bago tayo makarating dun sa pool natin at saka yung mga bedrooms, ito yung unang makikita ninyo. It's their garden. Napakalaki ng space na to. It has some mga benches that you can sit on. Pwede rin kwentuhan. One of the 3 rooms na pwede pong i-book dito sa MSCR. Meron po siyang 2 bunk beds. It can accommodate up until 8 people. Now, this room has its own toilet and bath din. Ito po siya. So, this is air condition. Meron na rin siyang cabinet at saka ng TV. Actually, pagkakalam ko guys, for this one, for example, small family or a group na fit lang dito sa room na to. So, you can actually rent this. Mas makakamura po kayo. But, the entire place, except the rooms, sa inyo na rin po. So another room, this one naman, itong room na to, ito yung pinakamalaki. So meron siyang 4 na bunk beds. This room can accommodate up until 16 people naman. Yung 16 people na yun is very comfortable. If you're gonna request for additional mattress, siguro may 2 pa dito sa baba. Just in case, no, mag-overflow yung bisita nyo dito. But, hi guys!
Why can't subscribe now?
The entire resort is actually inspired by mga sawali houses, mga sawali. So, tignan mo yung mga dingding natin. Hi, Chai! Isa sa mga amenities dito sa MSCR is the dining area. Ito siya guys. So, it has 2 large tables. Actually, meron pang isa dito. 3 all in all, siguro 6, 12, 18, up until 20, more than 20 na sabay-sabay pwede kumain dito. So, there are 2 swimming pools dito sa MSCR. Ito po yung isa, which is for adults. And then this one, as you notice, kiddie pool. Less worries. Syempre, you would still need to look after your kids. Pero this one, since 4 kids siya, mababa, given na yan para sa kanila to. Now for this one, a little bit small, pero good enough for adults. Still at the dining area, nandito na rin yung living area rin natin dito. Is an alfresco plus unlimited video. Start na! So, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa MSCR guys. Number 1, napaka-spacious. Pinaka-resort natin doon, which is gated. Additionally guys, meron din siyang area for sports. This one is a half-court basketball. Meron din siya ditong kids playground. If you can imagine guys, dito sa covered court na to, you can do your team building, other activities that needs space such as this. So pwedeng-pwede siya sa MSCR. Oo nga pala. So ito yung isang room pa dito. If you go here, meron siyang 1 bedroom that has 2 beds. And then living room area, which is siguro good for mga 4 to 6 people that can, rest there. Ang oras ay 5:30 PM. So this is how it looks like during the evening. Here is the pool. Puntahan natin yung kiddie pool. Pakita rin natin how does it look like during the evening. And also yung garden. So ayun guys, this is how it looks like during the evening. Para sa akin, napaka-romantic and at the same time Instagrammable naman yan. Kung kayo naman naghahanap ng events place or function hall dito po sa area ng Mexico, consider this. Sa calculation ko guys, it's around 350 yung pwedeng ma-occupy na to. As far as I can remember doon sa orientation natin with the owner, recently may ginanap na pageant dito. Meron na siyang stage, naka-design na rin yung ating pinaka-ceiling. Doon sa likod naman niya guys, meron tayong mga rooms, dressing room for male and female, at saka na rin yung comfort room natin. Kompleto niya. For more information guys, if you're interested for booking it, message po yung fan page na included dito sa post na to. Gusto niyo na mag-swimming?
Yes.
Gusto niyo na mag-swim?
Yes.
Okay, you like it here?
Yes. Look at me, Daddy. What is this coca?
It's foot bath.
Is that?
It's for foot bath.
Is that?
Oh, para mawala yung putik, dirt, yeah.